Hi guys, my name's Aspen. This is my new bike. Just kidding. This is my very first BMX bike. It's about 11 years old. It's in great condition. It's a dyno VFR Junior. I lent it to my cousin. He put some gay stickers on it. Here comes trouble. I used to have the real seat, but he put on the stupid Donkas or whatever. That the training wheels. I want to take the training wheels off so I can practice my 180s. He put this thing on the tire cap on here. I think it's pretty cool. It's a skull. It's got everything original. Put a freaking kickstand on it when it has training wheels on it. It's like a 23 tooth sprocket. Pretty nice, I guess. And it's got a I guess the bike is just original. It's a 12-inch. Weighs about 30 pounds. I know it seems a lot for a freaking bike, but for a small as a bike as this one. But I guess this bike is really heavy. But these grips did not come on it. These grips are from Green River Bike Shop in Dixon, Illinois. I live in not there because I'm not going to tell you where I live. And I guess my voice is kind of weird right now because I got to wear a retainer. Sorry about that. Well, if you like this bike the best, which I really doubt you will, leave me a comment below. Okay. Bye.